In the verdant highlands, ripe coffee cherries hang heavy on the branches, ready for harvest. These cherries, plump and red, are the cradle of the coffee beans we all adore, the very beans that will eventually find their way into our morning brew. But before that transformation can occur, the cherries must be meticulously harvested. It's a task that requires a discerning eye and a skilled hand. The pickers, masters of their craft, carefully select only the ripest cherries, those that have achieved a perfect balance of sweetness and acidity. This careful selection ensures the quality and flavor of the coffee we love. Once harvested, these cherries are swiftly transported to the processing station. This bustling hub is where the next stages of transformation will occur, where the cherries will be depulped and the beans within will begin their journey towards becoming the coffee we know and savor. From the tree to the processing station, the first critical step in our coffee's journey is complete. Once at the processing station, our cherries are ready to shed their skin in the depulping process. Just imagine a scene of transformation, where what was once a juicy cherry now reveals the precious coffee bean within. This process is done with utmost precision, ensuring that only the outer skin is removed, leaving the bean and its sticky layer of mucilage intact. Now we transition to the fermentation stage, a fascinating process where nature plays its part. The beans, still cloaked in mucilage, are soaked in water-filled fermentation tanks. Here, natural enzymes diligently work their magic, breaking down the mucilage layer, a sweet, sticky substance that surrounds the beans. But hold on, timing is of the essence in this stage. The beans cannot be over-soaked, as it may lead to unwanted flavors. It's a delicate balance, closely monitored by the skilled workers. Fermentation, a critical juncture, leaves us with beans stripped of mucilage and ready for a thorough wash. Now it's time for a bath. The beans are washed meticulously to remove any lingering residue. This crucial step in the process ensures that only the purest essence of the beans remains. It's almost like a spa day for our beans, with every speck of unwanted material carefully washed away, leaving the beans clean and refreshed. But the journey doesn't end here. Straight from their refreshing bath, the beans are escorted to the drying stage. Here, they're spread out on raised drying beds, like sunbathers soaking up the rays. They bask under the sun, losing moisture bit by bit. Of course, just like with sunbathing, there's a need for a little turning now and then. Diligent workers regularly turn the beans, ensuring even drying and preventing unwanted moisture spots. It's a delicate balance, maintaining the right moisture content. Too dry and the beans lose their flavor. Too wet, and they might develop mold. With the sun's warmth and careful monitoring, our beans are now dry and ready for the final stage. One final hurdle remains: sorting. As the end of the journey draws near, meticulous sorting becomes critical. Each bean is rigorously inspected, ensuring only the finest make the journey to the roaster. Imperfections are weeded out, leaving behind a pristine batch of coffee beans, each one a testament to the labor of love that is washed coffee processing. This journey, from the lush highlands to your morning cup, is a testament to the craft and dedication that goes into every single bean. From the careful selection of ripe cherries during harvest, through the meticulous depulping and fermentation, to the thorough washing and drying, every step is a dance of precision and care. Sorting marks the end of this intricate journey, but it's also the beginning of another, the journey to your cup. And so each sip of your morning coffee is not just a burst of flavor, but a testament to the journey from bean to brew.